Hairstylists, when did you realize your job was a lot more than just cutting hair? A few years ago, an elderly woman wanted her hair done for her 50th anniversary date with her husband. She gushed about their time together, and told me a story about their first date. He got so nervous that he put salt in his coffee by accident, and tried to play it off. So now she was going to prank him by putting salt in his coffee at the restaurant. By this point even I was blushing, and I knew I wanted a relationship just like theirs. When I was done with her haircut, she looked in the mirror, smiled and said he's gonna fall in love with me all over again. I smiled back and offered her our staff room, where she could wait for him to come pick her up. She accepted, and when I didn't see her again, I figured she must have left without me noticing. But after 2 hours passed, I saw that she was still sitting there, with the exact same magazine in her hands. So I asked her when she thought he was coming, and she laughed and told me to be patient, because it had only been 10 minutes. Alarm bells immediately went off in my head, and that's when she told me the salt and coffee story again. Long story short, her daughter finally came to collect her. When she arrived, I asked where the husband was. Suddenly